If you manage people nowadays, the rules have changed. You don't need to be a loud leader, you need to be a smart leader. That means clearer communication, simpler tools, and a mindset that adapts with your team, not just around them. I'm Phil Pallen. This is The Modern Boss, where we give you real tools to manage a team without losing your time, your clarity, or your voice. Today I'm sharing 5 trends every modern manager should be watching this year and how to actually add them into your workflow. So let's get into it. If you want people to show up, give them a reason to stay. That starts with visibility. Let's say a team member wants to pick up an extra shift, another one wants to swap. If your schedule lives in a spreadsheet or a screenshot, that is friction. I use Connect Team to manage this process because it keeps things super simple, mobile, and visible. From the manager side, Connect Team makes it easy to assign shifts, confirm availability, and approve replacements without back and forth. The shift request workflow helps you avoid friction while keeping visibility high for everyone involved. You can also set rules for things like overtime or double booking, so the system flags conflicts before they happen. And once shifts are published, everyone gets notified, no need for follow-up texts or last-minute changes. Employees can view their schedules directly on mobile, down to the role, time, location, and if anything needs to change, they can start a chat with their manager and request a shift swap all in the same place. Now, if it lives in a mobile app with clear requests, real-time updates, and auto approvals when rules are met, that is support. Smart scheduling saves time, and more importantly, it keeps people around longer. Every say, summarize this into 3 takeaways and 2 action items. That prompt saves me 10 minutes and keeps expectations clear. Repetitive tasks eat up your energy. AI gives it back if you train it right. Now, most of my team doesn't sit behind a desk all day. Maybe yours doesn't either. If the only way someone sees their schedule is from messages or through a desktop login, they are going to miss it. That's why tools need to live where your team lives. Their phones. When tasks, updates, and checklists are mobile friendly, your team gets what they need when they need it. Let's say you've got a checklist buried in a PDF or an old Excel sheet you've used for years, or you're using AI like this to draft a new one from scratch. Once you've got your checklist, whether it's scanned, typed, or AI generated, Connect Team makes it easy to turn it into something your team can actually use. Supported file types include PDF, Word, Excel, even screenshots or photos. Connect Team's AI scans it, turns it into a digital form, and lets you edit it before saving. Then assign it by role, save it to your Teams app, and it's ready. No more copying and pasting, no more repeating instructions, just the right checklist at the right time. Now, let's move on to our next trend. Let's say the schedule changes. You post it in the app, you send a reminder in the group chat, and you mention it again at the start of the shift. That's not over-communicating, that is leadership. Modern managers repeat what matters clearly and calmly. Your job is to make sure the message lands, not once, but in the format that sticks. When you're a one-person operation, it's fine to remember things, but when you're managing people, it's not. So, templates, auto notifications, pre-filled forms, these aren't luxuries, they're what let you stop babysitting and start leading. For example, I used ChatGPT to generate an onboarding checklist, then saved it in Connect Team as a template. Now every new hire gets the exact same steps assigned automatically with reminders built in. Use tools that help you repeat yourself without repeating yourself. You don't need to guess what's changing. These trends are already here. Flexible scheduling that adapts to your team. AI that speeds up admin, not replaces it. Tools that work on mobile because your team does. And clear communication in repeatable formats. And finally, systems that scale without adding stress. If you want to elevate your boss game this year, start here. check out our other videos on the Modern Boss with more tools, prompts, and tips for managers who want to lead with clarity, not chaos. And if you saw Connect Team on screen today, it is the app that I use to bring these ideas to life, and it's free for teams of up to 10 users. And if your team is larger, you can get a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. Try it if you want your systems to support you, not slow you down. Watch some other videos on this channel to get some other tool recommendations for team managers. I'll link you to a few that I think you're going to enjoy next. I'm Phil Pallen. Thanks for watching. Those coming right up.